Some northern Greene County residents will soon be hearing emergency sirens closer to home. 2 new outdoor warning sirens have been placed in the Fellows Lake area. Color 10's Bethany French spoke to the Greene County Office of Emergency Management today.
That's right. I spoke with Larry Woods, Director of Emergency Management, earlier today, who tells me these new sirens are another tool to help warn people of dangerous weather conditions.
A lot of the sirens that we have are placed in areas of high population or areas where there are a lot of outdoor activities. And as Fellows Lake has grown in popularity and use, we just got to a point where we felt it was very important to be able to put those warning devices in up there.
Woods tells me they've been working with residents for several years on getting more sirens in the area. And now with these added sirens, those who are out on the water and using the trails can be more informed of when they need to take shelter.
I would definitely feel safer in the area, especially if we're fishing or if we're on a boat. It would be nice just to have that calm of mind that we could have a warning and get back to the dock and head home before there's a storm. When
the sirens do go off, Woods says people should seek shelter.
Typically, it's because there's going to be a tornado or some type of a damaging or life-threatening high wind event occurring. And so the proper shelter technique is to either go to a basement or go to an actual storm shelter, or put as many, we always tell people to put as many walls between you and the outside world as possible.
There are now around 90 sirens in Greene County, and the county tests their emergency sirens on the second Wednesday of every month at 10 a.m., weather permitting.